In this video, I'll show you the Smart Keyless Protector for Audi. The installation is almost identical for Audi A4 and A5 from 2020, Audi A6 and A7 from 2019, and Audi A8 from 2018. First, remove the mechanical key and press the small release button to remove the battery compartment. Take out the original battery and replace it with the thinner battery included in the kit. Wrap the protector around the battery. When the red light flashes, the device is active. Put everything back in place, and you're done. After 3 minutes of being completely motionless, the keyless system automatically switches off, protecting the key from wireless relay attacks. As soon as you move the key, it instantly returns to normal operation.